Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Friday, April 29. As the island seeks to expand its market reach, government has announced plans to appoint a review commission on CARICOM.
I think the time has come for Jamaica to fully assess the benefits, opportunities, and challenges of CARICOM, and to assert ourselves in such a way that Jamaica gets the benefit of CARICOM.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness was speaking on Wednesday at the unveiling of equipment worth $285 million at International Biscuits Limited. He used the function to encourage Jamaica's private sector to seek out opportunities for expansion into CARICOM markets.
We may not be able to compete because of the cost of energy, but we must be able to compete because we have a better tasting product, because our products are packaged better, that we have tailored a product that meets the needs of the consumer. So we may not always have comparative advantages, but we must also develop and emphasize our competitive advantage as well.
Meanwhile, the Prime Minister says Dr. Nigel Clarks' appointment as Ambassador Plenipotentiary for Economic Affairs is part of his administration's commitment to growth. Dr. Clarks' appointment was confirmed last week. The position of Ambassador Plenipotentiary relates to an ambassador with full powers to sign treaties or otherwise act for the state. He's expected to represent Jamaica's interests in investment and trade relations with bilateral, multilateral, and international partners.
Nigel will be assisting us in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, and assisting generally in ensuring that our dream of economic growth and prosperity for all Jamaicans, that dream is a reality.
Ground was broken yesterday for a $7 billion housing development in Innswood, St. Catherine. 760 houses will be built in the scheme called the Orchards. The development is a joint venture of SCJ Holdings Limited and Reeve Gardner and Associates. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Horace Chang, has hailed the public-private partnership, which he says is a critical aspect of attaining economic growth.
It will be one of the pillars on which we hope to build and grow the economy. We'll look forward to seeing more Jamaican partnerships coming in to participate in the economic activity that will build this country.
The work will be carried out in 3 phases, with construction expected to be completed within 2.5 years. 2-bedroom houses developed on 4,000 to 6,000 square foot lots will start selling at $10.75 million each. 514 Jamaican farm workers will leave the island for Washington, D.C. next month. They will be working on the Gebbers farms under the Overseas Employment Program. It's among the largest holdings in the United States, with over 5,000 acres of apples and more than 2,000 acres of cherry. Minister of Labor and Social Security Shahini Robinson met with the owners, who were in the island, to donate a check of $250,000 to a Jamaican charity earlier this week. She has revealed that the Gebbers Farms operators are looking to expand operations, which would see more Jamaicans being employed there. The Ministry of Health is moving to improve access to non-traditional forms of vaccines among the general population. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement at the recent launch of the 14th Vaccination Week in the Americas. He said the vaccines would be offered as part of the ministry's routine administration in light of increasing disease migration from other countries posing a threat to the health of the population.
And the commitment today is that we will work to ensure that other vaccines on the market with a proven track record are introduced as part of our routine administration to our population.
Dr. Tufton said the ministry would also continue providing vaccines for children in the public health sector at no cost. Various measures will be employed to get parents and guardians to comply and adjust to the routine vaccination schedule. Residential childcare facilities across the island are currently being reviewed. The review is being carried out by the Child Development Agency, CDA, in partnership with the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, and should be completed within the next 3 months.
And this review is primarily to look at the services being provided in those facilities. What are the services that we should provide as government? What are the services that partners should provide? and how is it that we are going to operate in those spaces so that our children have the best outcomes.
The CDA's CEO was speaking on Wednesday at a JIS think tank session. And finally, the Ministry of Youth will be launching a national social marketing campaign dubbed Our Children JA as a major Child Month activity. State Minister Floyd Green gave the details at a JIS think tank on Wednesday.
We think it is critical that part of what we do is change the culture in Jamaica, where people don't talk about their child or that child, but see every child as a collective asset of every individual. And during the month, we ask people to share with us, use the hashtag OurChildrenJA.
The minister will share more details on the campaign as well as the other areas of focus for Child Month during a broadcast to the nation this Sunday, May 1. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.